So I was inspired by the Crustak website on how to create a SVG text with video background. So I used this site as inspiration to recreate another version of it with some simple SVG text and clipping path elements. This is a great way to enhance type, add a narrative to your brand in storytelling, and create continual motion on the page. I was also able to make this pretty responsive by using some simple percentages and view width for the font size. We're going to start by putting the background image in the body. Then we're going to set the video to be clipped through the SVG text using a combination of SVG clipping path element and the CSS clipping path property. Alright, so we'll be creating a standard HTML5 boilerplate to get started and put in a wrapping div that will hold our video and SVG. Then we're going to add our video tag with a class of clip video and set the volume to muted, loop the video, and set it to autoplay. Inside of there, we'll put the source tag for the video. Now we'll put our SVG right below the video tag. Now we're going to put a clip path tag with an ID of text overlay that will be called from the videos class and its CSS properties URL function. We'll add the text with the HTML text tag and vertically align using the dy attribute. Alright, we're ready to start adding our styles to the document. We'll start with the body style that's going to hold the background image for us. We'll set some responsive styles with the width and height to 100%. Set the margin and padding to 0 and put overflow hidden. Then we'll do our background image with a size of cover and center on the position and no repeat. We'll set the wrapper to position relative as we're going to be using position absolute on the SVG, and we'll set some width and height percentages with the margin 0 auto to center. We'll set the video to be responsive as well with the width 100% height auto. Then we're going to set the clipped video style to clip path using the URL function to target the ID. We can set the SVG to display block with position absolute and top 0. The positioning on the text comes from the dy attribute, and that sets the position off of the y-axis. And we'll set the text to font family sans serif with a font weight bold and font size 16 based off the viewport. Alright, that concludes the SVG text with video background, fully responsive, and uses the text element, which is a little bit trickier to position, but gives us the option to easily change the text and sprint ideas with minimal amount of code.